When it comes to buying a used luxury car, many automotive enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike find themselves at a crossroads between desire and practicality, pondering whether the allure of a high-end badge is truly worth the investment once it leaves the showroom and enters the pre-owned market. And the answer is far from simple, because unlike new luxury cars, which offer cutting-edge technology, pristine condition, and warranty coverage, used luxury cars introduce a complex mix of considerations including depreciation, maintenance costs, reliability, and the evolving nature of technology that can make even a well-maintained vehicle feel outdated compared to modern counterparts. Take, for example, brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Lexus, which dominate the used luxury segment, each offering models that have their own strengths and weaknesses, such as the BMW 5 Series, which is often praised for its dynamic handling, sporty performance, and luxurious interior appointments, but can carry high maintenance costs, particularly for older models with complex electronics and turbocharged engines that may require frequent servicing, while Mercedes-Benz models like the E-Class or S-Class bring a sense of understated elegance, comfort, and cutting-edge features. Yet their air suspension systems and advanced electronics can become expensive headaches if neglected, and Audi, with its signature Quattro all-wheel drive system and high-quality interiors, offers a balance of performance and refinement. But older models with multi-tronic transmissions or early infotainment systems can sometimes disappoint in terms of reliability. On the other hand, Lexus has built a reputation for bulletproof reliability, particularly in models like the LS or ES, which can last well over 200,000 miles with minimal major repairs, making them appealing for buyers who want luxury without the chronic worry of unexpected repairs. And this brings us to the fundamental question of value. A new luxury car depreciates rapidly, often losing 40 to 50% of its original value in the first 3 years, meaning that buying a carefully selected used model can offer access to high-end features and performance at a fraction of the cost, allowing buyers to enjoy the craftsmanship, premium materials, and advanced technology that define luxury vehicles without absorbing the brutal initial depreciation. Yet this opportunity is not without its pitfalls, because the used luxury market is littered with examples of owners who didn't maintain their vehicles properly, skipped service intervals, or drove aggressively, leaving a trail of potential mechanical or electrical issues for the next owner to address. Therefore, an essential part of assessing whether a used luxury car is still worth it involves diligent research, obtaining comprehensive service records, inspecting for signs of wear or modifications, and, ideally, having a pre-purchase inspection performed by a certified technician familiar with the brand in question, because even a seemingly minor issue in a luxury car, like a failing air suspension compressor, a malfunctioning navigation system, or worn-out brake components, can quickly become expensive to fix due to the high cost of OEM parts and specialized labor, and buyers must weigh these potential costs against the perceived savings of buying used. In addition, insurance premiums, fuel economy, and long-term reliability also factor heavily into the decision-making process, as high-performance engines, all-wheel drive systems, and sophisticated electronics can inflate ongoing ownership costs, and not all used luxury cars are created equal, with some model years known for particular reliability problems, such as BMW's turbocharged N54 engine that can suffer from high-pressure fuel pump failures or turbo issues, or early-generation Audi A6s that experience oil consumption problems, making it imperative for buyers to consult owner forums, consumer reports, and reliability studies to make an informed choice. Despite these challenges, the used luxury market offers enticing possibilities, from sedans with sumptuous leather interiors, ambient lighting, and advanced, to SUVs with commanding road presence, adaptive air suspension, and all-weather traction, providing a driving experience that feels markedly different from mainstream vehicles. And for enthusiasts who prioritize the thrill of behind-the-wheel performance combined with sophisticated styling, buying used can be a strategic way to access the luxury segment without overstretching the budget, particularly if the buyer is willing to invest a little time into proper maintenance and research to avoid common pitfalls. Moreover, the depreciation curve of luxury cars often means that after 3 to 5 years, these vehicles can be purchased at prices that are closer to mid-range cars while retaining much of their premium character, allowing for a sense of financial savvy that doesn't compromise on comfort or status. And for tech-savvy buyers, even models a few years old often include infotainment systems, advanced connectivity options, and safety technology that remain competitive with contemporary vehicles, though it's worth noting that some features, like autonomous driving aids or the latest infotainment platforms, may lag behind newer models, which could influence long-term satisfaction. Ultimately, whether a used luxury car is worth it comes down to the individual buyer's priorities, risk tolerance, and willingness to engage in careful selection. Because a well-maintained pre-owned vehicle from a reputable dealer or a certified pre-owned program can deliver decades of driving enjoyment, turn heads, and provide a level of refinement and craftsmanship that is difficult to find in lower-tier vehicles. Yet a poorly chosen example, bought without proper inspection or due diligence, can quickly become a costly regret, making the decision process as much about patience, research, and awareness as it is about desire. And when approached thoughtfully, a used luxury car can be more than worth it, offering a harmonious balance of style, performance, and sophistication at a price that feels far smarter than buying new. So whether you're drawn to the sharp lines of a BMW, the plush elegance of a Mercedes, the tech-forward Audi, or the legendary reliability of a Lexus, the used luxury market holds the potential for a compelling ownership experience, provided you enter with eyes wide open, a clear understanding of potential maintenance needs, and a realistic budget for upkeep, insurance, and fuel. And when all of these factors are considered, driving a used luxury car can deliver not only the thrill and prestige of the brand, but also an unusually satisfying sense of financial accomplishment, proving that with careful research, patience, and discernment, pre-owned luxury vehicles are still very much worth exploring in today's market, offering a rare combination of high-end performance, comfort, and style without the punitive depreciation bite, making them an appealing option for anyone looking to enjoy the best of automotive luxury without paying the full price of a brand new model. And ultimately, the choice to buy used becomes not just a financial decision, but a strategic move that allows drivers to experience the pinnacle of automotive engineering, refined interiors, and advanced safety and convenience features, all while avoiding the most severe depreciation hit. And for those willing to invest the time in learning about common issues, performing due diligence, and keeping up with regular maintenance, the rewards can be immense, from the joy of spirited drives to the quiet satisfaction of cruising in a cabin that exudes elegance and technological sophistication, proving that in the world of cars, luxury doesn't always have to come at new car prices. And with the right approach, a used luxury car can offer a fulfilling, prestigious, and surprisingly cost-effective entry into the high-end automotive experience, making it a smart and enticing option for both enthusiasts and practical buyers.